Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Welcome to Jennifer's restaurant.
Oh, hello. I'd like to order, please.
Okay, but first,
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
today's lesson is very practical.
Yes, we're going to the restaurant.
You will learn how to order food in English.
This is so useful when you travel.
Yes, but before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready?
Let's start. Word number 1, menu.
A menu is a list of food and drinks at a restaurant.
Repeat. Menu.
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Word number 2, order.
To order means to ask for food at a restaurant.
Repeat order.
I would like to order, please.
I would like to order, please.
Word number 3, waiter or waitress.
A waiter is a man and a waitress is a woman. This is the person who takes your order.
Repeat. Waiter.
Repeat, waitress. Excuse me, waiter.
Excuse me, waitress.
Word number 4, bill or check.
The bill or check is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
Repeat, bill.
Repeat. Check.
The bill, please.
Check, please.
The bill, please.
The check, please. Word number 5, delicious.
Delicious means the food tastes very good.
Repeat. Delicious.
Delicious.
This pizza is delicious.
The food was delicious.
The meal was delicious.
Great. Now let's learn useful phrases. Here are the most important phrases for restaurants.
Phrase 1, I would like.
This is a polite way to say, I want.
Repeat, I would like.
For example, I would like pizza, please.
I would like water, please.
I would like coffee, please.
I would like tea, please.
Can I have?
Is another polite way to ask for something.
Repeat. Can I have?
For example, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have some water, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have some sugar, please?
Can I have... What do you recommend?
This means, what food is good here? What should I order?
What do you recommend?
This is useful when you don't know what to order. How much is it?
This asks about the price.
How much is it?
For example, how much is the pizza? The bill, please.
Say this when you're ready to pay.
The bill, please.
The bill, please.
The check, please.
The check, please.
Very important phrase. Now let's see a complete restaurant conversation.
I will be the waiter, Levent will be the customer.
Listen carefully.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like pizza, please.
Good choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Okay. 1 pizza and 1 water. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. The bill, please.
Here you are. That's $15.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's your change, $5.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now, let's repeat that conversation slowly.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like pizza, please.
Good choice. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Okay. 1 pizza and 1 water. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, the bill, please.
Here you are. That's $15.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's your change, $5.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's explain the important parts.
Part 1. The waiter says, "Are you ready to order?"
You answer, "Yes, I would like pizza, please."
Part 2. The waiter asks, "Would you like something to drink?"
You answer, "Yes, water, please," or "No, thank you."
Part 3. When you finish eating, you say, "The bill, please."
The waiter tells you the price. That's $15.
You give money and say, "Thank you."
Easy, right?
Now you practice. I'm the waiter, you're the customer.
Answer out loud at home.
Hello, are you ready to order? Would you like something to drink? Anything else? Good job.
Complete these sentences.
Sentence 1. I blank like pizza, please. What word?
The answer is, I would like pizza, please. Sentence 2. Can I have the blank, please? What do you ask for to see the food?
The answer is, can I have the menu, please? Sentence 3. The blank, please. When you want to pay.
The answer is, the bill, please.
Let's practice a short conversation.
I'm the customer. Jennifer is the waiter. Excuse me, can I have the menu, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. I would like chicken and rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, juice, please.
Okay. 1 chicken, rice, and juice.
Thank you.
Now you be the customer. Order your favorite food.
What would you like to order?
Excellent practice.
Great job today.
You learned how to order food at a restaurant.
Remember these important phrases. Can I have the menu, please? I would like... Would you like something to drink? The bill, please. How much is it?
Practice with your friends or family.
In the next episode, we're learning about directions.
How to ask where is and give directions.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And comment. Tell us, what's your favorite restaurant food?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.